the poop?
Potatoes up there.
You found one agad. Then find another one. Find the other one. It's just down here. It's just down here. It's just down here, Nathan.
Daddy, can you give me my potato?
You get it.
Daddy, give me my potato.
Ayun na! Leah is so witty. How about the other one?
You know you potato hulog himself? Because I want
And you just touch that poop.
and Mommy, you know he jumped down because I'm going to do this to him.
Can you get that one? Lagot ka kay Lola, tita. You're not removing your shoes.
Oh, it's hot. Mommy, I tummy them.
How do you get that? Ah! Yeah.